married one, loving two, and
I'm really excited to wear this. I found my desk.
What if it's you and me at the end? Maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home.
Hi guys, welcome to this vlog. I wanted to pop in and share with you guys a package that I just got recently. It's so funny because Cody tore it open because he thought that this package was his because it was like the smallest package, but turns out it was mine and it's super cute and I wanted to share it with you guys. So it looks like this. It's a really nice box. As you guys know, I've been super into gold jewelry, and with that I kind of wanted to get like a gold watch. I've been seeing watches everywhere, and this brand Nordgreen reached out to me and their items looked super beautiful, so I wanted to check it out. So it comes in this really lovely case and it comes with instructions. You also have the option of switching out the bands, so I think that's really cute and I opted in for that. So let me show you guys. So this is what my watch looks like. She's so cute. I love her so much and I really can't wait to wear her. I really love this like nylon strap that Nordgreen offers. It's in this really nice olive color and it has gold details. And again, I've been super into gold jewelry, so the watch is gold as well with a white face. The style that I have is their Philosophy style and it's really nice. It's super simple, but it has really nice details to it. I feel like it really suits my style, so I'm just gonna throw it on. I really like that you get two watches in one. This definitely also would be a really great gift for someone in your life that you know likes watches or wants to get into them. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute. It really fits my wrist as well. I'm pretty petite, but I feel like it looks really nice on me. It's me modeling it. So cute. So if you guys are interested in checking out Nordgreen, you guys can use my code CARMEN for 15% off. I'll definitely link it down below, so if you guys are interested, check out the description box down below. I feel like it goes with everything. So cute. I can't wait to wear this. I also got it with a gold band as well, which I will switch out and show you guys right now. It's so cute. I feel like it's so fun to have like two watches in one, and it's really awesome. Almost done with switching out the bands. They make it so easy. So let me just finish up and show you guys. I don't know which one I like more. I feel like I like them in equal amount. So cute. So this is what it looks like. I really love this band. Makes it look super expensive and nice and luxe. Nordgreen also makes it really easy to adjust it to your size, and there you go. Super cute, and it goes with all of my gold jewelry, so I feel like really put together. I'm wearing super basic items, but I feel like my outfit looks super duper put together. So super cute. I'm really excited to wear this. I feel like it adds a little bit more to my outfits. And yeah, special thank you to Nordgreen for sponsoring this video, and let's get into the vlog. Hi guys, it's Sunday. My vlog's kind of all over the place. I've been all over the place. You guys can see I cleaned up last night. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Both of these items are from Princess Polly. I feel like they just pair so well together and they're so cute. This is like the beige scrunch dress that is from Lioness. And this is Princess Polly's oversized black denim jacket. I've been super into this one. I'm gonna pair it with my black docs because I think it would go really well together. And I also have my Chanel mini in here, just with some other knickknacks that I bring around with me. So let's go.
Will you stay even when you wanna walk away?
Oh my god, I'm dying. Hey guys, so I'm just sitting in the car because Cody is doing a showing now. It's actually in the financial district, which is where my office is at. So I brought my work ID to pick up some things at my desk. But I only worked in office like 4 months, and I literally could not remember what floor I worked on. But basically, I don't know, I thought this was so funny, so I thought I would share. I couldn't remember what floor I worked on, and my best friend's mom also works in the same company, so I went through our screenshots and saw a desk assignment for the 6th floor. So I was like, oh, maybe I work on the 6th floor. I went to that floor, went all the way around looking for the cubicle seating, And turns out the name tag is her mom's name. So it was her mom's seat. And I was like, well, shit, I don't know where I sit. My building is going through a renovation. So when I was working there, my floor was like the older floors. So I assumed like the front entrance, I'll insert it, but the front entrance would be the old entrance, which was like a darker gray color. Went through all of them. I went to 6 and 7 and they were old, and then I checked 10 and 10 was old. I walked through all the way to the spot where I sit, couldn't find my seat, and then I had to text my best friend and say, hey, I don't know where I sit at work. And she was like, why? And I was like, I'm there right now. But the thing is, like, I remember things by motion. So when I got in the elevator, I was like, oh, I remember pressing this button, and that button is the 8th floor the first time, but it was a brand new floor. So I was like, okay, there's no way I worked here because my floor is the old interior. But I mean, I was gone for 6 months, so they really could have just renovated the whole thing, which is exactly what happened. Because my best friend's mom said you work on the 8th floor, I went to the 8th floor and it was new, but I walked through the entrance where you put your badge. Badge works on every floor too, so great. But yeah, I went through, like, the cube layouts look similar, and the guy downstairs also warned me that they moved things around, so I was like if the floor looks the same or different because they might have moved things around, which is why I also couldn't figure out where I sat. And then on the 8th floor, everything looked exactly the same. And then I walked over and I found my desk. So hooray. But because I took so long to find my desk, we're running close to the appointment time that Cody set up with the person that he's showing the apartment to. But I wanted to show you guys my hauls. I literally had like 5 seconds to pick out the stuff. So I thought I'd just do a haul from my desk. So I have a ramen. Fun fact, sad fact, no, it's not sad. Sorry, that's a TikTok. Fun fact, I've actually never eaten a ramen at work, although I like dream of eating it. Subconsciously, I feel like I might get judged for having an instant lunch. It's a me problem. I have these tissues. They're from Asia, but I liked it because it was really compact. Cody has one in his car here. Grabbed it so he could like use this one next. Yeah, I'm hilarious. And then I have my lunch bag, cooler bag. Yeah, I thought I would keep it in the car here for like little bobas and stuff. Really fun option. Love this so much. Thank you to my job for giving me that. And then this is actually the original color of the roses that Cody bought for me. They are from Venus et Fleur, or however you say it. I'm sorry if I butchered it. Oh, they smell amazing and I'm so happy to have them. I do have one at home too, but yeah, I mean, this guy was just so lonely. He looks exactly the same. And yeah, super fun. I just thought I'd share that with you because it was hilarious. I'm so glad my best friend texted me back because like literally if she didn't text me back, I probably would have gave up and never figured out where I work. I don't have it in like my work email, so yeah, maybe I'll put in my work email just in case I forget again, but I probably won't forget this time. But yeah, hilarious. Yeah, but that aside, I think after this we're gonna eat lunch, and yeah, that's about it.
Will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down.
This is karaage, and then this is the fried chicken skin.
You want to wash your hands first or no?
Disney song.
The Disney song?
Yeah. Like Mulan.
How do you know you don't watch it? Who said it was a bad?
Mulan?
The new Mulan.
This is the Mulan soundtrack.
Oh. And throw him a noodle. Or a piece of pork.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone.
Finished eating. We're going to the plant store. I saw one, so we're gonna go. Oh, thank you to Trey for this mask. She gave it to me.
I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind.
Wow, so cute. Quick OOTD before we go. These are from Princess Polly. This is from Hello Molly. I just got this from Zara. Cody has a haircut today and we're probably running late, but wanted to show you guys my outfit. Have the beautiful hot chocolate from La Burdick or LA Burdick. By any chance? Thank you. Oh, it's hot.
Good. Food does not want to taste this. Swear to God, that's
Oh, I just got foam. Yeah, it's good.
Driving down the coast, I know I think about you, staying up late, planning out our whole lives. I know you're gonna say you're not the one for me, and I'm just confused. But ooh, I think about you when I think about forever. I think about you. Oh, I think about you.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? How to start and liquefy? Need you here to tell me how to be okay. Everyone loving too, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking what if it's you and me? At the end, maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew.